Exams can feel like a full-on surgery, complicated and high stakes. But managing exam stress, that's easier than you think. Did you know up to 52% of medical students face test anxiety? But don't worry, it's not about avoiding stress but handling it like a pro. Comparing study habits or grades, that's a one-way ticket to increased stress. Instead, focus on your progress. Try retention techniques like the Pomodoro Technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Combine this with constant repetition. Form a study group to tackle tough topics, quiz each other on difficult topics. Feeling overwhelmed? Call a friend or even your parents or chat with a mentor. Don't let pressure push you into overdrive. Focus on what's truly important, and that means becoming the best doctor you can be. Watch our other videos and check out Wolters Kluwer Health for peer-reviewed content that makes MBBS learning less stressful and more impactful.